Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enter service mode on Tesla. So over here you just access your home screen by pressing that little button right there and go down to your software. You click and hold your model number, Model 3 in my case, and your access code will pop up. So the access code is service, that's SERVICE. You press OK. A little pop-up message will pop up, the caution, and you press enter to continue if you agree to the terms. And there you have it. You're in service mode now. And so over here you can access a whole bunch of back-end stuff. I recommend you don't try to change anything if you don't know what you're doing. And that's it. Once you're done, you just go ahead and press exit service mode and hold it, and you'll be out of service mode.